In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an unknown USB device error, specifically when your device descriptor request fails. This is a common issue that can happen with your computer's USB ports. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the steps to resolve it in about 5 minutes. Let's get started by addressing the simplest solution first. Begin by unplugging the USB device that is causing the issue. Once it's disconnected, pause for a moment, then reconnect it. Sometimes, this simple act of unplugging and plugging back in can solve the problem. If that doesn't work, try using a different USB port. Often, USB ports can have different power capacities or might become faulty over time. So, switching ports can help identify where the issue lies. Make sure to try both the front and back ports of your PC, as these can sometimes differ in how they connect to your motherboard. If switching ports doesn't resolve the issue, your next step should be restarting the Windows USB controller. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager from the list of options. In the Device Manager window, scroll down and click on Universal Serial Bus Controllers to expand it. Look through the list and locate the entry that reads Unknown USB Device, followed by Device Descriptor Request Failed. Once you find it, right-click on this entry and select Uninstall Device from the context menu. After this, restart your computer. Don't worry about losing drivers, as Windows will automatically reinstall them upon reboot, sometimes resolving the problem. If the issue persists, you should look into the USB power settings. Right-click the Start button once again and go to Device Manager. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers like before. This time, right-click on each USB root hub in the list and select Properties. Within the USB root hub Properties window, find the Power Management tab. Here you should uncheck the box that says, Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This action ensures that the computer doesn't automatically manage power usage that might disconnect your device unexpectedly. Finally, after adjusting these power settings, click OK to save the changes. Then, restart your PC again. The adjustments should take effect and ideally resolve any power-related issues interfering with your USB device. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the unknown USB device error and get your device working again. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful. If you continue to face issues, there might be a larger hardware problem that needs professional attention. However, these solutions cover most typical scenarios. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.